In India, about 80 to 90% of Indians have vitamin D deficiency. And if you have vitamin D deficiency, what can happen is that you can get thyroid, diabetes, cancer, heart disease, or you can get autoimmune disorders like Hashimoto's or alopecia, or you can get hair fall. So if you want to prevent all of this, you need to make sure that your vitamin D levels are optimal. And also, if you have calcium deficiency and your doctor has told you to take calcium supplements or to take calcium rich foods, if you don't fix your vitamin D deficiency, you won't be able to fix your calcium deficiency, because vitamin D is required for the absorption of calcium. If you don't have enough vitamin D, the calcium won't be absorbed, and that can cause calcium deficiency. So make sure that you first fix your vitamin D deficiency if you have calcium deficiency. Now, some of the signs that you're vitamin D deficient: if you're having joint pain, muscle pain, body pain, or you're getting hair fall, or you're getting cold, flu, or viral infection like every other month, or you're having anxiety or depression, or you're feeling tired all the time, then these are some of the signs that you have vitamin D deficiency and that you need to fix your vitamin D deficiency. And also, you should always check your blood vitamin D levels every single year to see whether you're deficient in vitamin D or not. And if you are deficient in vitamin D, in naturopathy, what you can do is that if you are a vegetarian, there are not many food sources which contain vitamin D. So if you are a vegetarian, you need to depend on the sun to get your vitamin D. So how do you get vitamin D from the sun? So the sun contains UVB rays, and this UVB rays, when it hits our skin, the skin contains cholesterol. This cholesterol is then converted into vitamin D. But if you wear sunscreen or through glasses, that blocks the UVB rays. When it blocks the UVB rays, you won't be able to make vitamin D. So you need to make sure that you don't wear sunscreen if you want to get vitamin D. And also, if you sit in your car or if you sit inside the house, if the sun is coming from the glasses, you won't get vitamin D from that sun. You need to make sure that you sit under the sun for few minutes to get vitamin D. And also, to make vitamin D, you require cholesterol. So if you are on statin drugs, or if you are on any medicine that stops the production of cholesterol, no matter for how long you sit under the sun, you won't be able to make vitamin D. And also, if you take low fat diet, if you take low fat milk, or if you avoid ghee, or if you avoid butter, any of these fat foods, you won't be able to make vitamin D. So to make vitamin D, you require fat. So make sure that you consume ghee, butter, avocados, coconut or coconut oil. All of these contain good fat, and these will help you in producing vitamin D. Now, vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin, meaning that if you have fats, the vitamin D is absorbed much better inside your body. So when you go under the sun, make sure that you apply oil all over your body. You can apply coconut oil, sesame oil, or any other oil, whichever is available to you. Apply that oil, then go under the sun, because you will be able to absorb vitamin D from the sun much better. And also, if you have very fair skin or very light skin, then you need to sit under the sun only for 15 to 20 minutes. Then you will be able to make sufficient vitamin D. But if you have a darker skin, it can take much longer for you to make vitamin D. So if you have a darker skin, then you need to sit for 45 minutes to 1 hour to get the same level of vitamin D. And also, when you sit under the sun, sunburn shouldn't happen. And also, when you sit under the sun, make sure that your skin is getting exposed to the sun. Make sure that you don't cover yourself fully from head to toe, because if you cover yourself fully from head to toe, you won't be able to get sun. Therefore, you won't be able to make vitamin D. And I hope you like this video and you found this video valuable. And thank you for watching this video.